You've got a brand new Ford and you have not ticked the reverse camera option. Well, guess what? We've obviously got you covered. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. This is a 2020 Ford Kuga, which needed the very important addition of a reverse camera. Obviously, it had factory parking sensors fitted, which did the job, but the reverse camera just adds that little bit of extra protection and help with maneuvering to close objects. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the reverse camera first. We've used a very nice flush fit reverse camera. And this particular model actually has got an adjustment on the left which has a little bit of adjustment on the lens to get further down or further up depending on the customer's preference. Now this camera gives an awesome view and looks completely original. Now let's just open it, you can have a look in its higher position. I'll stop it there. There you go. So what we've done is we put it in the factory panel here, which is actually where you would have had the reverse camera fitted from standard. Exactly in the center, so you get the best view going. Now you want to see the inside, I'm sure you want to see it on the screen, so let's go and have a look. I'm going to turn the car on, because obviously we need the vehicle running for this, and then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to select reverse. So as you see, the picture automatically comes up on the screen. We actually get a really good wide angle, left to right and top to bottom. You can actually see the tow bar at the bottom, and you can see like good 4 or 5 foot up the wall, and you can see car either side of the car parking space. Now you've also got parking sensor overlay on the left, so you can see the sensors are detecting the wall behind me. And if I move the steering wheel to the left and to the right, you'll see we get moving guidelines as well as static guidelines in the traffic colours in the middle, just like that. Absolutely easy to use, just like factory. You wouldn't notice any difference. It literally works like Ford fitted it. We can do this on all the Fords almost, nearly every single model in their platform. All works pretty much the same. Some cars you don't get guidelines on, but the majority of them we can give you that functionality. But that's about it, just a reverse camera on a Ford Kuga 2020. I'm going to sign off now. Max behind the camera, Connor in front of the camera, John Cleese team signing off. See you later.